Not, and I think what Minister Donoghue is saying is that you can't do everything to address all the issues that are there, but certainly if you look at the track record of the government and what the government has been doing over the last number of weeks and months, we have been working to try and support families and people in relation to the pressures that are there, because it has been a difficult time. It was a difficult time before the last couple of weeks, before what we've seen in relation to the war in Ukraine, with inflationary pressures at the end of last year, and they've been growing throughout the start of this year, and of course accelerated in the last 2 or 3 weeks. If you go back to the budget, we took several measures, both from a social welfare point of view and also in terms of tax measures to support low and average income families, and they're helping people at the moment. Obviously the pressure is still there, but we have been responding and assessing as things have moved on. So the budget, obviously, I've outlined the measures in relation to social welfare and taxation. Then in February we came forward with further measures designed to help ordinary families as well. So for example, in relation to reducing the drug payment scheme from €120 to €80, reducing school transport costs, reducing public transport by 20%, and also introducing a €200 subsidy to people's electricity bill, as well as a €125 once-off payment for those on fuel allowance. So those were measures that were introduced then. Of course, following on from the war in Ukraine, we saw a particular spike in fuel, and the government moved then last week to introduce the 20-cent reduction on petrol and the 15-cent reduction on fuel.